A few days ago, I caught myself doing something I always tell other creators not to do. I was zooming into two AI-generated videos, looking at tiny details that nobody watching on a phone would ever notice. Then I stopped and thought, why am I comparing pixels instead of asking which tool actually helps me make better videos? If you're trying to decide between Supercool AI and PixVerse, I think that's the question that really matters. Here's the reality. Most of us aren't making Hollywood movies. We're making YouTube videos, ads, client projects, product demos, or short films that need to be finished this week, not next month. That completely changes how I judge AI tools. I care about how quickly I can turn an idea into something I can actually publish, because the longer I spend fighting with prompts, the less time I have to tell a better story. Supercool AI felt like the kind of platform that keeps momentum going. I'd come up with an idea, generate a scene, make a couple of adjustments, and move on. It didn't feel like I had to overthink every step. If you're creating content consistently, that matters more than people admit. A smooth workflow can easily save you hours over the course of a month. PixVerse made me slow down in a different way. I found myself experimenting more, trying different prompts, changing camera angles, and seeing how far I could push the visuals. Sometimes I'd get a result that genuinely surprised me. Other times I'd realize I was spending 20 extra minutes chasing a version that looked only slightly better than the one I already had. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It just depends on whether your priority is speed or creative exploration. At one point, I asked myself a question that completely changed this comparison. If I showed these videos to someone who doesn't care about AI, would they know which platform created them? Honestly, I don't think they would. They'd remember the story, the pacing, the emotion, and whether the first few seconds hooked them. That's a reminder that AI is only one piece of the puzzle. The creator behind the keyboard still makes the biggest difference. So if you're hoping for one clear winner, I don't think there is one. Supercool AI is a great choice if your goal is creating videos quickly and staying productive. PixVerse becomes really interesting if you enjoy experimenting and you're willing to spend more time refining your ideas. Neither tool can replace creativity, but both can make the creative process a lot faster. Now, I want to ask you something. If you could only keep one AI video generator for the next year, would you choose Supercool AI or PixVerse? Comment below and tell me why. I'm genuinely curious because everyone's workflow is different, and I'd love to know which one you trust for your next project.